We got a Ryobi R18PD7-C15S. So the jewel is R87. That's the jewel. It's brushless hammer jewel. Retail for $239 Australian dollar. In the package, it comes with two battery, 1.5 18-volt battery, identical battery, one charger, and the jewel, and also the back and the box. That's all. Put this accessory aside. So the jewel, you can actually assemble this handle in different way. So here being used on the right hand, and then you can actually unscrew it and then put that to the left hand. To this side. If you are left-handed. All this accessory comes with the jewel. So you got three functions. One is the hammer, left. That's the normal screw, and then that's for the timber. And you can adjust the torque by turning the dial, and also here. 2 means less torque, and 1 means more torque. And yeah, 2 means less torque, and then the bigger is more torque. Here's the front. That's the side. Press standard. This comes with 85 Nm. It's pretty powerful. It works. And oops, I got this standard one a couple of years ago. This only roughly for half of the total, like 45 Nm, and comes with this battery. In terms of the battery, it's similar, identical 1.5, identical shine. But the color looks a bit different. But the old color looks, I think, it's a bit nicer. This one is more, feels like more plastic. Apart from that, it's all good. I think they're all interchangeable. You can plug this in here. Should work. So this one got the leveler in here. this one does not. Apart from that, this hammer gel weighs without the battery is 1.65 kilo. This one without the battery is 1.15, so it's like half kilo. This one is half kilo bigger. But getting double the tall, given it is a hammer gel. I've been using this for like almost 6-7 years. Everything is fine. And one of the things I noticed is, see the LED? Every time you start the gel and off, that turns on and off as long as when you press the trigger and release the trigger. But this one is a bit different. When you press the trigger, it's turning on, but let's see. Okay, it's still on. It goes for a little bit, yeah, it's off. So that's another separate feature. So apart from having this handle, that's the biggest difference from the shape. I will get this off. Having this handle is actually quite helpful because the gel is heavy, so you can have two hands working on the gel together. So on the side, this one is RCD1802, and this one like I said is R18PD7. This one is around 7 years old. It's produced in 2013. This one 2020. And you can see this is brushless. You can see the here it's got more ventilation, this got less ventilation. Apart from that, the handle slightly feels different. Got a curve in here, but both are feeling quite comfortable straight away. On this side, it's pretty much similar, and on this side, apart from the indicator, this one have the leveler, this one doesn't. Pretty much the same. The front, I would say not that much different. This is a bit more round shape. This one a bit off angle. And the back. Yeah, both are quite comfortable. And this one retail for the skin is 179 from memory, so it's better to have these two batteries altogether. I think it's $60 US difference. You have extra of this and plus the tube. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Because this gel is quite heavy, I think it's about 1.4 kilo for the gel. Having this handle is quite helpful to maintain stability. the other hand I can control the speed. Otherwise, you try to, without the handle, you try to control the speed, and in the meanwhile you try to hold this screw precisely. So yeah, having a handle is quite helpful.